Founder of Bitcoin exchange FTX SBF assets seized. Federal authorities confiscated approximately $700 million worth of assets of FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, including 3 accounts with US dollars at Silvergate Bank. Federal prosecutors have awarded approximately $525 million worth of Robinhood stock, $94.5 million in cash in an account with Silvergate Bank, more than $7 million in other Silvergate accounts, approximately $50 million in an account at Moonstone Bank, and more, according to a court filing Friday. Confiscated assets in 3 Binance accounts. The U.S. Department of Justice announced earlier this month that it had seized 56 million shares of Robinhood. These shares were owned by Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX co-founder Gary Wang through a holding company, Emergent Fidelity Technologies, and were purchased on a loan from hedge fund Alameda Research. These shares caused disagreements between the parties and a total of 4 organizations claimed rights. Bankrupt crypto lender BlockFi, and FTX creditor, the new management of FTX trying to recover funds from the bankrupt platform's investors and customers, and the U.S. government wanted to seize shares. Sam Bankman-Fried also claimed shares. SBF's attorney suggested in a letter that these shares belong to a holding that is not an entity affiliated with FTX. They also said that the crypto boss needed this money to cover the costs associated with the legal process. The seized $101.5 million worth of assets were held in Silvergate Bank accounts registered to FTX Digital Markets, a subsidiary located in Bahamas. The crypto bank said earlier this month that the government seized these assets around January 11. Silvergate, meanwhile, was forced to sell its holdings at a notable loss to compensate for $8.1 billion of customer withdrawals following the collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX. In addition, DOJ confiscated approximately $50 million in what was in the FTX Digital Markets account at Moonstone Bank, a digital bank with ties to FTX management. In a statement made just yesterday, the bank said that it is leaving the crypto space and will focus on being the people's bank, talking about recent events in the industry. Finally, the DOJ confiscated an undisclosed amount of assets held in 1 Binance account and 2 Binance U.S. accounts. U.S. prosecutors charged the SBF with 8 counts, including telecommunications fraud and misuse of client funds. The SBF denied all these accusations. Subscribe for developments.